Imagine stepping outside to a breathtaking scene like this: vibrant wildflowers swaying, butterflies dancing, and bees humming. Here's the thing. You don't need a green thumb or years of gardening experience to create your own wildflower paradise. You just need to plant seeds this fall. Intrigued? Let's dive into the world of wildflowers. Collecting wildflower seeds. First up, let's talk about collecting your own wildflower seeds. The best seeds come straight from mature wildflowers. These are flowers that have fully bloomed and dried on the plant. Think of these seeds as nature's gift to keep the beauty going. Simply cut the flower heads, give them a little shake, and you've got a handful of future blooms. Cleaning the seeds. After collecting, it's time to clean the seeds. Why clean them? Well, seeds come mixed with a lot of plant debris, and clearing that out gives your wildflowers the best shot at sprouting. All it takes is a gentle shake, picking out twigs, and separating the good seeds from the mess. When to plant fall or early spring. Now for the best part: planting. Wildflowers love being sown in the fall or early spring. Planting in the fall mimics nature and lets the seeds settle over winter, ready to bloom when the weather warms up. So while you cozy up inside this winter, your seeds will be gearing up for spring. Types of wildflowers to grow. Wondering what types of wildflowers to grow? Here are some showstoppers. Blue Lobelia, a pop of blue that butterflies can't resist. Catmint, hardy and great for bees. Echinacea, known for its striking cone shape and health benefits. Heliotrope, a fragrant addition that pollinators love. Phlox, vibrant, ground-covering wild bergamot, perfect for attracting hummingbirds. These wildflowers will not only fill your garden with color, but will also make it a hotspot for pollinators. Planting and growing a wildflower garden. To plant your wildflower garden, choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Wildflowers thrive in areas where they can soak up plenty of sunlight. Next, sprinkle the seeds thinly across the soil like you're adding a dash of salt to your favorite dish. They don't need to be buried deep, just press them down a bit to keep them in place. Water the seeds regularly, especially in the first few weeks, and feed them monthly to keep them strong and healthy. Benefits of growing a wildflower garden. A wildflower garden does so much more than look beautiful. These flowers attract essential pollinators like butterflies, bees, and even hummingbirds. Not only that, but wildflowers help reduce erosion by holding the soil in place and add a splash of color to your landscape. Where to buy wildflower seeds? Ready to get started? You can find wildflower seeds at online garden centers, local garden stores, or nurseries. Choose a variety that works for your climate, and you're all set to create a garden that's as low maintenance as it is stunning. So, grab those seeds, plant them this fall, and watch the magic unfold next spring. Your very own wildflower garden is just a season away. Happy planting?